Is your team constantly missing deadlines? Each time that happens, you're not just falling behind, you're losing serious cash, like $250K or more in missed opportunities. Let's dig into what's causing these delays and how you can flip the script. A big reason developers miss deadlines is simple. Communication sucks between founders and their teams. If you don't lay out what you expect or give consistent feedback, projects will stall. Look at Shopify. They pushed a new feature rollout back by nearly 2 months because the product and engineering teams weren't on the same page. Unrealistic timelines don't help either. Founders often set deadlines without really understanding the technical challenges, which leads to rushed work and garbage results. Research shows around 30% of software projects fail to meet their deadlines because of this mess. Companies like Airbnb have faced similar issues when they underestimated the complexity of multi-platform integrations, resulting in delays that cost them user engagement. We see this kind of breakdown every week at gotyourtech.ai, and we help founders figure it out. A lack of clarity in project scopes can also contribute to delays. For instance, a startup we consulted for spent $45K on a project that ended up taking 3 months longer than planned due to vague requirements. Clear communication and realistic expectations are vital to avoid such pitfalls. If you want to get deadlines under control, start with regular check-ins. This isn't just about being nice, it keeps everyone aligned and avoids nasty surprises. Take Plaid, for example. They had a major outage that cost them a big bank client, and that was a wake-up call on how crucial consistent communication is. You need to keep everyone on the same page to spot problems before they blow up. Next, set timelines that actually make sense. Don't just pull numbers out of thin air. Talk to your engineers about what's realistic. If you rush things, you'll throw money away faster than you can keep up. Look at how Figma grew with a small team that understood their limits. They launched features on time without wasting resources. Their method of iterative feedback loops allowed them to refine their product continuously. But remember, figuring out these timelines takes some technical know-how, and that's where most founders struggle. A lot of folks we see at gotyourtech.ai end up needing help to navigate this minefield. For example, one startup we worked with had to adjust their timeline from $2.3 to $1.5 million after realizing their original estimates were overly ambitious. By collaborating closely with their development team, they managed to create a more feasible plan that not only met their budget, but also aligned with their launch goals. Consistent communication and a realistic approach can transform your deadline management. Fix these problems now, and you'll save yourself a ton of headaches down the line. If you're unsure about what to do next, head to gotyourtech.ai. You'll find solid advice on streamlining your development processes. Get your team in gear to meet deadlines without scrambling. Don't wait for the crisis to hit.